Okay, it is EXB time, finally. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut to the chase and rip the thing. I got it back on punch 3 with the Titanic. Lovely, and yeah, I'm definitely having problems with the stupid GoPro. Always wanting to move, so I'll move it back to where I need it to be. Okay, so I got the trenchers, stock ESC, don't run me over. I got ramp, so let's see. Yeah, I'm actually trying to test the wheelie bar, and yeah, it does work. So I actually do want to, actually test the wheelie bar. Without destroying the truck. So maybe I need to just see, yeah, do some of that stuff. Some well-placed back action with the wheelie bar. See just how flexible it is, how much bull crap it can take. And case in point is that I want it to actually, flex. I want it to give, I want it to bend and get bent out of shape, but not break. As long as this thing stays on there, we are all good. Now the wing can do whatever the hell it wants to. It's gonna break. But as long as the wheelie bar stays intact, and yeah, Mr. Ramp is getting thrown all over the place by the Kraton, just like it did the last time it broke it. Yeah, these trenchers, they really do make for some very good jumping tires. And I'm gonna test this stupid thing without doing the horrible 20-foot jump of death. But I will get up there, because these trenches are wild, and I love wow with this truck. Okay, something broke. Oh no, it came loose. Yeah. Oh, I see what happened. Yeah, I'm also testing this. So on one end I had a washer holding the, oh wait a minute, I think on this one I made both of them not hold up like that with the washer on the end. See what happens, and it popped out. Yeah, but I don't care about that. I knew that was gonna happen. Just testing something out, seeing just how much this can hold up. Obviously, it needs the washer to hold it in place. Otherwise, that thing would just pop out. So I'm going to just keep on going. And I do know that those beefy ass 8mm links, the plastic can break. So something broke bad this time. Oh, wow. Oh, the shock. And that was a decent landing too when it just broke. Oh. Well, I guess my link is, well, I guess that speaks for itself. Oh, wow. Man, that shock is in there. It really is. And how many jumps it took that to happen? Now, this end is aluminum. And you can get a 6mm end. I think the shaft on the end is either 6 or 7mm. I don't know which one it is, but I know you can get a steel end and put it on there. But that steel end is huge, so I have to possibly limit the inside just a bit. But yeah, I'll play around with that, because this, I mean, if the shock is just gonna break, and that jump that it broke on, it landed on all fours. You saw it land on all fours. But that jump probably didn't do it. The jump from before probably did it, where it pretty much nosedived right into this wheel. And then that last jump pretty much just took it out when it landed on all fours. So, duh. This is a, damn, that shock is in there. It literally went, yeah. So Ramp actually survived this time. Oh God. And Willy Bar is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the damn thing landed on it 3 times. Landed on the top of it a couple of times too in the action, and the wing still stayed on. Landed sideways a couple of times. Landed on nosedive. Yeah, I did nosedive it pretty hard once. So yeah, that was controlled. Out of control. Yeah, I probably have to beef it up just a little bit more. So yeah, I'll go on and end the video and see if I don't have a shock shaft that can deal with that. But as for the triangulation, that I think I'm gonna have to find a better link for the triangulation, since that link needs to flex just as much as the arm in order for it to work. Because if it doesn't flex, yeah, it's gonna bend. Let me take this off just for the hell of it. I gotta see what's going on up under there. And oh yeah, I got my fans on, as you can hear, and they are brilliant. Got my 3S LiPo running all of them. So yeah, does triangulation work? I want to say it do, but right now, yeah, I need to rethink the mounting, because this link sucks. I mean, wow, that bent hard, but of course it wasn't attached, and ugh. So I need to see just how long this rod end is, because if it's about 10mm longer, the steel rod end is like 10mm longer than this, then I might have to limit the inside of that so it can still bottom out. What a lovely little mess. I'm gonna have to get some elbow grease to get that out of there. But yeah, so landed on this wheel a couple of times, enough to break the rod in. So hinge pin hold up great, and I do have the Arrma 775 brace on both the front and the rear, so those are great. As for the shock, nope, gotta deal with that. But I do have plenty of these, those 6mm, the 6mm ends that fit on here. It's either 6 or 7, I don't know. 7 would be hard to get. I'm just gonna put that out there right now. 7 will be hard to get, but 6 I got plenty of. Hopefully it's a 6. Ugh. And it can also be an 8. This is an 8. Oh God, that's gonna be rough. But I don't think it's an 8. I don't think the screw hole's an 8. Hopefully it's a 6. Hopefully. So yeah, I'm gonna go on and end the video and turn off these plastic fans. Whew, boy. Yeah. So EXB. Yeah. Well. Yeah, I gotta give it to the wing mount though. I mean, for a couple layers of HDPE, it definitely flexed and flexed and flexed and held up and deformed a little bit, but 34 pounds of beast landing on it, upside down, right side up, right on it a couple of times, literally. And I literally tried to do that, so it held up great. As for the rest of the yeah, it's a work in progress, but everything is a work in progress. And thankfully I have the ramp, so I don't have to actually carry this damn thing back. Okay, so video done. I'll be out later with another mess to deal with this thing. So onward, Kraton, onward, onward, onward.